QuantConnect review. You've got trading ideas but no clue if they actually work. What if you could backtest those ideas with real data, automate them and trade like a hedge fund, all from your laptop? That's exactly what QuantConnect lets you do. So what it is? QuantConnect is an algorithmic trading platform where you can build, test, and deploy your own trading strategies using Python or C. It's built on Lean, their open source trading engine trusted by hedge funds and quant pros around the world. You get access to decades of market data, stocks, crypto, futures, forex, even options. You can backtest strategies in the cloud, use machine learning, and connect directly to brokers like Interactive Brokers, Owanda, and Binance for live trading. Plus, it's super flexible. Whether you're testing momentum trading, pairs trading, or full on AI models. What's really cool? The QuantConnect community. Thousands of quants share open source algorithms, data research, and even full trading frameworks. And if your algorithm performs well, you can license it under AlphaStream's marketplace and earn real money from institutions. Now, the best part, you can start for free. Paid tiers unlock faster backtesting, more data, and live trading from around $8 to $50 a month. Downside, there's a bit of learning curve. You'll need a basic coding and some data science know-how, but if you're serious about trading automation, it's worth every second. So if you're ready to take your trading from gut feeling to data-driven precision, QuantConnect is the move. Head over to the quantconnect.com, sign up, and start testing your first strategy today. Because in modern markets, the best traders don't gamble, they backtest. And that's it.